Hi everyone, and welcome to our Padlet discussion wall. The first thing you need to do is you could use your mobile device and you can scan this QR code to get onto this Padlet wall page. The great thing about a discussion wall is that you could read people's thoughts and ideas even before this particular group. Alright, so here you will see the 5 ATLs that are listed. And as you read them, you can click on the comment box and see what are the comments people have written. And then you can also contribute your comments. Furthermore, you could also vote it up or down. Another thing you could do is you could add your own ideas. So for example, by clicking on the pink button just now on the left, I can add something here. So for example, what really worked? Okay, and I can write up my experience. Similarly, I could also add what definitely did not work, and this would really help your fellow teachers save some pain and time to get to learn from your experience. Now with these, you could connect it to a post. So for example, what definitely did not work with Canal Notes, I could connect it to self-management scale and Canal Notes. And again, with all these other boxes, you could also read their comments and also type your own. So you have the next 15 minutes. Go ahead and have lots of fun with this. And I think we will generate a lot of learning and good ideas as a result. Have fun.